What if one simple English sentence could open a new door in your life?
Yes, maybe a new job, a new friend, or even a new dream.
And what if today you could learn how to talk about your life goals in easy English?
Without feeling nervous, confused, or lost.
Then stay with us because this lesson is going to help you speak about your future in a clear and natural way.
And trust me, Lima also has a very surprising life goal.
Hey, do not tell them now.
I will not.
Maybe.
Maybe.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to Smart English Official.
If you want to speak English with more confidence, this channel is for you.
Please subscribe to Smart English Official, like this video, and leave a comment below.
And in the comments, tell us one life goal you have.
Yes, big or small, we want to hear it.
Okay, Lima, are you ready?
I am ready.
Then let us begin.
So, Jayers, today we are talking about life goals.
Yes, and this is a very useful topic.
Because people often ask questions like, what do you want to do in the future?
Or what is your dream?
Or what are your goals?
And many English learners know the answer in their own language.
But in English, they suddenly become silent.
Exactly. The brain says, I have a dream.
But the mouth says, future, maybe, yes.
Exactly. So today, we will make it easy.
Very easy.
Let us start with a simple question.
Okay.
James, what is a life goal?
A life goal is something you really want to do, have, or become in the future.
Perfect. For example, maybe you want to become a teacher.
Or start a business.
Or buy a house.
Or travel the world.
Or maybe just wake up early every day.
That is a very difficult life goal for some people.
Are you talking about yourself?
I am not saying yes.
That means yes. Okay, let us teach our viewers some simple sentences.
Good idea.
The first easy sentence is,
My goal is to.
for example, my goal is to improve my English.
Or my goal is to get a better job.
Very simple, very useful.
The second sentence is,
I want to,
for example, I want to study abroad.
or I want to save more money.
The third one is a little softer.
I hope to,
For example, I hope to start my own business one day.
or I hope to help my family in the future.
And here's another good one.
I'm working toward.
This means you are already trying.
Yes, for example, I'm working toward becoming a doctor.
Or I'm working toward a healthier lifestyle.
Now let us make this more natural with a real conversation.
Okay, ask me.
Lima, what is one of your life goals?
One of my life goals is to become a great English teacher and help students speak with confidence.
Very nice.
Thank you.
Now ask me.
James, what is one of your life goals?
One of my life goals is to travel to many countries and learn from different cultures.
That sounds interesting.
Yes, but I also want to eat amazing food in every country.
Ah, now we know the real goal.
Knowledge and noodles.
That should be your life motto.
Now let us give our viewers a useful tip.
Yes, when you talk about life goals, do not just say the goal.
Also say why it is important to you.
Exactly. This makes your English sound more real and more personal.
For example, do not only say, I want to be a nurse.
You can say, I want to be a nurse because I like helping people.
Very good.
Or, I want to open a small cafe because I love coffee and warm conversations.
That sounds lovely.
Thank you. And yes, I also want free cake every day.
Now the truth comes out.
A cafe is a dream. Cake is the deeper dream.
Our viewers are learning English and life wisdom today.
Now, let us show longer answers.
Good idea.
Lima. James, what is one big goal you have for the next 5 years?
In the next 5 years, I want to build a career that I enjoy. I also want to keep improving my English and communication skills. I believe these skills can help me meet new people, find better opportunities, and grow as a person.
That is an excellent answer.
Thank you. It's simple, but it sounds strong.
Exactly. And now, my turn.
Yes. Lima, what is one big goal you have for the next 5 years?
In the next 5 years, I hope to become more confident, more skilled, and more independent. I want to keep learning, support my family, and maybe start a project that helps other people learn English in a fun way.
That is beautiful.
Thank you. And now, dear viewers, here comes something very important.
Yes, many people have more than one life goal.
So let us talk about different kinds of goals. First, career goals.
These are goals about your job or work.
For example, I want to become a manager.
Or my goal is to start my own company.
Second, education goals.
These are goals about study and learning.
For example, I want to finish my degree.
Or I hope to learn English fluently.
Third, personal goals.
These are goals that help you grow as a person.
For example, I want to be more patient.
Or I'm working toward becoming more confident.
Fourth, health goals.
Very important.
For example, I want to exercise 3 times a week.
Or my goal is to eat healthier food.
Fifth, family goals.
For example, I want to spend more time with my family.
Or I hope to support my parents.
And sixth, travel or lifestyle goals.
For example, I want to visit Japan someday.
Or I want to live a peaceful and balanced life.
Now, James, let us do something fun.
I am ready.
Okay. I will say a goal, and you say it in a more natural English way.
Challenge accepted.
Okay. Future, I open business.
A natural sentence is, in the future, I want to open a business.
Very good.
Thank you.
Next one. I doctor become because help people.
A natural way is, I want to become a doctor because I want to help people.
Excellent.
Next,
I English improve for good job.
you can say, I want to improve my English so I can get a better job.
Perfect.
I feel like I'm in a game show.
You are winning one invisible trophy.
I will put it next to my invisible car.
Please drive carefully.
Now, let us teach a very useful pattern.
Yes, this pattern can help viewers speak longer.
Here it is.
One of my goals is to, because, and I'm working on it by.
This is a very powerful structure.
Let me give an example.
Go ahead.
One of my goals is to speak English confidently because I want to communicate with more people and have better opportunities. I'm working on it by practicing every day.
Excellent. Now, you do one. One of my goals is to save money because I want to travel abroad next year. I'm working on it by spending less and planning my budget carefully.
Very nice.
This structure is great for speaking tests, interviews, and daily conversation.
Yes, and it helps you sound organized.
Now, Lima, can life goals change?
Absolutely.
That's important, right?
Very important. Sometimes people think they must have one dream forever.
But life changes.
Yes, you grow, you learn, you discover new things.
So it's okay if your goal changes?
Of course. Maybe when you were 10 years old, you wanted to be an astronaut.
And now you want to be a chef.
Or a designer.
Or a millionaire cat owner.
That became very specific very fast.
I may or may not know someone like that.
The important thing is this. Changing your goal does not mean failure.
Sometimes it means growth.
Exactly.
Now, let us show viewers how to talk about changing goals.
A simple sentence is, my goals have changed over time.
Or, I used to want to be a lawyer, but now I want to work in design.
Or, at first, my goal was to make a lot of money, but now I want a more balanced life.
These are honest and natural answers.
Now, here's something many learners forget.
What is that?
When you talk about life goals, you can also talk about challenges.
Ah, yes, because goals aren't always easy.
Exactly. For example, you can say, it's not easy, but I'm doing my best.
Or, I still have a lot to learn, but I'm improving step by step.
Or, sometimes I feel tired, but I don't want to give up.
These kinds of sentences sound very real.
And they connect with people emotionally.
Now, I want to ask you something, Lima.
Okay.
What helps you stay motivated?
Good question. I stay motivated by remembering why my goals matter to me. I also try to take small steps every day.
That is smart.
What about you?
Honestly, I like writing my goals down. It helps me stay focused.
That is a great habit.
Also, snacks help.
That is not always life advice.
It is emotional support food.
For you, every sandwich is a life coach.
Now, dear viewers, listen carefully because this next part can really improve your speaking.
We're going to do a mini practice conversation.
Imagine someone asks, "What are your life goals?"
You can answer like this.
One of my biggest goals is to build a stable and happy life. I want to improve my skills, find meaningful work, and support the people I love. I know it will take time, but I'm ready to work for it.
That is a strong answer.
Now another example.
My main goal right now is to improve my English. I want to speak clearly and confidently because English can help me in my studies, career, and daily life. I practice a little every day, and I believe I will get better.
Beautiful.
And here's another one for beginners.
In the future, I want to live a healthy and peaceful life. I want to have a good job, spend time with my family, and keep learning new things. These goals are simple, but they're important to me.
Very natural.
Now, Lima, I think it is time.
Time for what?
Time to reveal your surprising life goal.
Oh no.
Yes.
Okay. One secret life goal of mine is to visit a quiet place near the sea, open a small English learning cafe, and name every drink after grammar topics.
Wait, what?
Yes.
So what would people order?
1 cup of present perfect, please.
And maybe an iced past continuous?
Exactly.
Do you also have future tense cake?
Of course. You will eat it tomorrow.
Okay, I admit it. I want to visit that cafe.
See? Dreams matter.
Now, before we finish, let us review some key phrases.
Good idea.
My goal is to,
I want to.
I hope to.
I'm working toward.
One of my biggest goals is,
In the future, I'd like to.
I want to do that because
I'm working on it by.
my goals have changed over time.
It's not easy, but I'm doing my best.
If you can use these sentences, you can talk about your life goals in a much better way.
Yes, and remember, simple English is powerful English.
You don't need big words
You just need clear words.
and honest thoughts.
Now let us end with one final message.
To everyone watching, your goals matter,
Even if they are small,
even if they take time.
even if nobody else understands them yet,
Keep learning,
keep trying.
keep speaking,
And never be afraid to talk about your dreams in English.
because every strong future begins with one brave sentence.
Thank you so much for watching Smart English Official.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like the video, and share it with a friend who is learning English.
And now it is your turn.
Write in the comments
What is one life goal you have?
and try to answer in English.
We would love to read your answers.
See you in the next lesson.
Keep practicing
Keep smiling.
and keep building your future one English sentence at a time.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.